Hello students, in this part we will discuss on pollen agent. Pollen agents. What are pollen agents? The vectors or mediator which help in transferring the gametes from one place to another place, those are called pollen agents. The vectors which may be biotic or abiotic. The vectors which or mediator which help in transferring the gametes from one place to another. Those mediators or vectors are called pollen agent. There are two types of pollen agent. Two types. One is abiotic and second one is biotic. Abiotic is pollen agent. Abiotic pollen agent means non-living. Those may be contain wind or water. A few plants are categorized in abiotic pollen agent categories. Few plants. Pollination with the abiotic factors occurred in few plants, whereas biotic factor or biotic pollen agent, it means living beings, and those living beings may be bees, fly, insect, birds, as well as animals. You can say that insect or animals. Maximum pollination occurred in with biotic pollen agent. Maximum plants are categorized in which pollination may occur by the biotic pollen agent. We will discuss the pollination which occurred by the abiotic factors. Abiotic factors के द्वारा जिनका pollination होता है, उन pollination वाले फ्लावर में, उन फ्लावर्स के अंदर नेक्टर की अमाउंट जो है या तो होती ही नहीं है, मे नॉट प्रेजेंट और मे प्रेजेंट इफ दैट वेरी लेस. सेकेंड वन, उनके अंदर फ्रेग्रेंट मीन्स महक नहीं होती, जिसके कारण से इंसेक्ट बर्ड्स उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट नहीं होते. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस ऑन wind, pollination by wind, pollination through wind, and the pollination which occurred through wind, that is called anemophily. The pollination which occurred through wind, those are that is called anemophily. Then what are the characters of pollen grains? जो जिनमें विंड के द्वारा pollination होता है, उनमें pollen grain के क्या क्या characters होते हैं? Characters of pollen grains in which pollination may occur through wind. First, light in weight. ये हल्के होते हैं. Second one is non-sticky. This is the second feature. Third feature, the stigma may be feathery. स्टिग्मा जो है फेदर मीन्स पंख लाइक, उसमें काफी इस प्रकार से स्ट्रक्चर स्टिग्मा का, जिसके कारण से pollen grain जो है उनके साथ चिपक गया है. लेस नेक्टर, और यू कैन से दैट absent of nectars. or nectaries. No fragrant. So these are the features of the pollen grains in which transfer of pollination can transfer of pollination from anther to stigma take place with the wind. These are the characters. For example, wheat, maize, bamboo, and you can also say that sugar cane. In this, pollination can take place with the help of wind. And the second one, the pollination occurred through water. Pollination through water. The pollination which occurred through water is known as hydrophily. Hydrophily. By wind, anemophily. By water, hydrophily. Nearly 30 genera of the 30 species of genera, and you can say 30 genera of plants, the pollination occurred through wind, water. Nearly 30 genera of plants in which pollination occurred through water. The water may be fresh or salty, or you can say that marine water. Fresh water यानी फ्रेश वाटर में जिसमें पॉलिनेशन होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल वेलिसनेरिया एंड हाइड्रीला. These are the plant in which pollination occur through fresh water, and some plants such like a seagrass, Zostra, a seagrass, in which pollination occur through in marine water. In water, pollination occur by two processes. Water pollination may be divided into two categories. These two categories are, one is above the water surface and second one is under the water surface. Means there are two types of pollination occurred in plants by the water. Those are maybe at the surface of water and under the water. This hydrophily may categorize into two categories. One is upper surface, that is called epihydrophily, and second one is under the water, that is called hypohydrophily. Then hydrophily is categorized into two subgroups. One subgroup is epihydrophily, and second one is hypohydrophily. Epihydrophily. Suppose this is the water surface at which the plants are contained. This is the male part, and male part release the pollen grains. The female part, the flower of female part, which contain a long pedicle. Pedicle means the lower basal portion which attached to the stalk, the flower, that is called pedicle. This pedicle may be long and which thus the stigma reach to the water surface. इस प्रकार से फ्लावर के पेडिकल को बनाता है, लंबा बनाता है, जिसके कारण से फ्लावर जो फीमेल पोर्शन है उसका स्टिग्मा वाटर की सरफेस पे पहुंचे. तो पोलन ग्रेन जो जहां से वाटर करंट के द्वारा कहां मेल पार्ट से फीमेल पार्ट के स्टिग्मा तक सरफेस पे पहुंच जाते हैं. इन दिस pollination occurred at the surface of water. For example, in Vallisneria, the male part release pollen grains. These are the pollen grains are transferred from male part to female part. This is the male part and this one is female part. Male part to female part with the help of water current. The female part flower's pedicle elongate such that the stigma reach to the water surface. The stigma reach to the water surface. As the pollen grains transfer with the help of water current, they reach here and pollination can be take place. For example, Vallisneria and Hydrilla. Second type of hydrophily is hypohydrophily. What do you mean by hypohydrophily? The pollination occurred in the plants under the water. Suppose this is the water surface and male part is here, female part is here. Male part के जो pollen grain होते हैं, those are so elongate, they are ribbon-like structures, and they reach to the female part, stigma, remains under the water. And this is the marine water में example just marine water का sea grass, zostra. This pollination may occur under the water surface, under the water. The male part of the flowers are just ribbon-like structures, which reach to the stigma of female part. Thus the pollination can occur. For example, Zostra. This is the two types of abiotic factors, wind and water. And the pollen agent in which biotic factors may take place. Biotic factor means living beings. This type of pollination can be occurred with the help of bees, insect, birds, as well as animals and lizard, Zeko lizard and garden lizard. The pollination which occurred through the living organisms or pollen grains from anther to stigma transferred by the biotic, or you can say that living beings organism, that type of pollen grains or vectors are known as biotic pollen vectors, biotic pollen agent. In this it contains mosquito, bees, less amount of mosquito, bees, flies, beetles, butterfly, as well as birds, snail, snake, and animals, primata जो you can say that primata, lemur, arboreal. What is arboreals? The animals which live on plants, which live on trees, those are known as arboreals. If the pollination occurred with the help of animals, birds, insects, this type of pollination is known as entomophily. What is entomophily? If the pollination occurred by the biotic pollen agent, that is known as entomophily. अब इनमें एबायोटिक फैक्टर में और बायोटिक फैक्टर में क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जितने भी कलरलेस फ्लावर होते हैं जिसमें कलर नहीं होता, those doesn't have the capacity to attract the insect, so the pollination occurred through wind or water. Means जिनमें एबायोटिक फैक्टर के द्वारा pollination होता है wind or water, उनमें वो कलरलेस होते हैं, not produce nectars and not produce fragrance. But the pollination occurred through the living beings. Those flowers are colorful. They produce nectar as well as fragrant. So what are the characters of biotic pollen agent? Means pollen grains जो biotic factor के द्वारा होते हैं, उनके characters of entomophily. First one is entomophily. First one is sticky. विंड के द्वारा जो थे नॉन स्टिकी, वाटर के द्वारा थे वो स्टिकी. अब इसके फीचर्स क्या थे? स्टिकी, अनवेटेबल, जो वाटर के द्वारा वाटर के द्वारा जो पोलिनेशन हुआ था उनके कैरेक्टर्स क्या थे? स्टिकी, अनवेटेबल. क्योंकि अनवेटेबल क्यों होते हैं? वाटर में कंटेन होते हैं लेकिन वेटेबल नहीं होते, क्योंकि इस पोलन ग्रेन के बाहर म्यूसिलस की एक लेयर डिपॉजिट हो जिसके कारण से वो दिखते नहीं है. तो यू कैन also write the characters of pollination which occurred in water: sticky, pollen grains, unwettable, presence of mucilaginous, layer around the pollen grains. And the characters in which pollination occurs through biotic factors may be sticky, nectar produce, fragrant, also produce, and some plants or animals show symbiotic relationship. कुछ प्लांट और एनिमल आपस में सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप शो करते हैं. सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशन मतलब टू प्लांट्स और एनिमल लिव टुगेदर एंड बेनिफिट टू ईच अदर. दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज म्यूचुअलिज्म. यूका प्लांट एंड मोड, वन मोड इज प्रोनुबा मोड. Those also show symbiotic relationship, mutualism. Pronuba mode always lay eggs in the yucca plant flower. Due to laying eggs, the yucca plant flower pollinated. Means yucca plant का जो फ्लावर हो क्या हुआ, pollinated हो गया, और pollinated उसके बाद fertilization भी हो जाएगा. और प्रोनुबा मोड को क्या बेनिफिट हुआ, इसको एग ले करने के लिए सेफ प्लेस मिल जाता है. प्रोनुबा मोड को तो एग ले करने के लिए सेफ प्लेस मिल गया फ्लावर, और फ्लावर में जैसे ही लेइंग एग्स हुआ तो उसके कारण से पोलिनेशन भी हो गया. तो बोथ बेनिफिशियल, बोथ आर बेनिफिशियल. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ रिलेशनशिप इज नोन एज सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप और म्यूचुअलिज्म. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट वन इज in some pollination occurred by the birds, snails, snake as well as bat. Those also process are different. One is biotic, जो pollen agent हैं उनमें animals, insect के अंदर जो pollination उसको क्या बोलते हैं, entomophily. And the pollination which occurred through birds, pollination occurred which through the bats, snails and snake. The pollination which occurred by the snakes known as ophiophily. The pollination which occurred through snails, malacopily. Bats, caryoptophyly. And birds, ornithophily. So you also write in your notebook the pollination which occurred through birds, ornithophily, with bats, caryoptophyly, snails, malacophyly, and snake, ophiophily. Clear? Why the pollination occurred through biotic factors, biotic pollen agent? Because both are beneficial. The flowers provide nectar and fragrance as well as safe place for laying eggs to the animals, and animals pollinated the flowers. So this is the symbiotic relationship can be shown by the flowers, by the plants or animals. But there are some pollen robbers. What do you mean by pollen robbers? The animals or birds or insects which only take nectar from the flower but doesn't any help in pollination, only take nectars. Those are known as pollen robbers. The insects such like as queen's bombus affinis only take nectar from the flower, only robber the nectar from the flower but doesn't take place and but doesn't play any role in pollination. मीन्स नेक्टर लेते हैं और पोलिनेशन किसी प्रकार की हेल्प नहीं करते, और इस प्रकार के इंसेक्ट को या बर्ड्स को, एनिमल्स को क्या कहते हैं, पोलन रोबर्स. Clear? The next part we will discuss about some more features of. We have already discussed homogamy. The next one is dichogamy and bisexual as well as inbreeding depressions. outbreeding devices.